ki khubor ka bate si TV. Lawan Rashaphi taka Frank Motors. Visit Frank Motors or call 7045207973.
MIT University of Meghalaya. Our admissions are now open for the academic year 2024-25. Explore our best courses. Experience global collaborations. Apply today.
Ka Grace Institution Bangalore ka college puli nursing ka babhatam na kabanta ki khna ka Meghalaya kala play ya ka admission minta.
To each one of you.
Katbaga Sarkar Jila ki Dorbash Nong Kikinhun Pair Lekun Persha Ban Pindu Jat Yajinjale Jong Drong, Dekat Kum Gajing Ajing Tip Jo President ki Indian Drug User Forum, Ukyu Chamo P. Ezong, Ulet Hu Ki Break Be Imkirni Bandi Drug, Dagwashu Inject Kidan Hadu Karwe Hajar South Pa Arpongon, Tanghakanika Jila Meghalaya. Haba Jingkheiñ hak International Day Against Drug Abuse and Illicit Trafficking Arajar Posau. Berapin long dekat social welfare jangka Sarkar Jila kabalong hak Pundu Truk Juliu Arajar Posau hak Conference Hall jangka Vivanta Hotel Shillong u ezing ulai thu bakat kum Jingkheiñ husnem Arajar hak Khandai jangka Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment ke Sarkar India ke Jingdan jangka Nongdih Drok ke Belangat hak Jingpang HIV kilong kumba pralak san Posau Hajar Life Spa Pundungon hak Bashilak sab Khandai Hajar Prospa Andru Pundu ki day ki Jilla Pair jangka Thajate Lamingi. Hak Jogapur Menteri Katana Social Welfare Sarkar Jilla ba polling do hak Jingkheiñ kila patai kubor ulit hu ba wat lag dor barshnong kila mi syakhaman benekun persya ya udrok hindiki kendu jing'e nama bakim don ya ke di addiction center ba counseling center nama pin kelab yang syaka jing'e bathamai nak benta ki break belangam how drok.
In raising awareness about the far-reaching impact of drug abuse, and we reinforce our commitment to combat this persistent menace. The theme of the World Drugs Day 2024 is investment in prevention. It is a call to action that resonates deeply with our mission in Meghalaya. It highlights the crucial need to prioritize preventive measures as a foundational strategy to address and mitigate the challenges posed by drug abuse. Drug abuse is not just a personal affliction. It is a societal challenge that affects every facet of our community. It disrupts families, it undermines economic stability, and hampers social development. In Meghalaya, we are acutely aware of the challenges posed by drug abuse, particularly among our youth. The allure of drugs can derail promising futures and lead to a cycle of dependency and despair. Therefore, our commitment to prevention is the cornerstone of our strategy in combating drug abuse. By investing in promotion, we are making a commitment to the health and well-being of our citizens, especially our young people. Our goal is to create an environment where individuals are informed, resilient, and supported, thereby reducing the risk of drug abuse before it begins. We are also working on educational initiatives. Our prevention strategy includes comprehensive educational programs aimed at informing our youth about the danger of drugs. These programs are integrated into our school curricula and supported by community outreach efforts. By providing young people with accurate information and practical skills, we empower them to take informed decisions and resist the pressures that lead to drug abuse. We also invest in community-based programs that promote healthy lifestyle and provide constructive alternatives to drug use. These programs include sports, arts, and cultural activities that engage young people and help them develop a sense of purpose and belonging.
We have learned that when punitive measures are taken to control drug use over public health and human rights, there is a profound impact on health and well-being of our communities, leading to increased rate of HIV, viral hepatitis, overdose, and other related harms. It closes the door for those drug users and their families to openly seek help to access to harm reduction services, treatment, and rehabilitation. The report on magnitude of substance use in India 2019, published by Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment, suggests that there is an estimate of 8,54,326 people who inject drugs in India, of which 1,49,866, totaling 18%, are from the Northeast India. Meghalaya is estimated to have a number of 11,420 people injecting with drugs. We need to understand whether we have enough facilities to accommodate this number of people and provide them with treatment options. The HIV prevalence among injecting drug use in India is at 9.03, which is the highest among any typology. Meghalaya has 11.48% of HIV prevalence among injecting drug users, which is above the national average of 9.03, and the second highest HIV prevalence state in Northeast observed among injecting drug users after Mizoram. Source of the report is from NACO Sankalap 5th edition report. As we observe the World Drug Day with the theme, the evidence is clear, invest in prevention. There is a need to have effective drug policies grounded on science, research, compassion, and full of respect for human rights. Primary prevention policies need to be developed both at national and state level to empower youth and equip them with knowledge, skills, and resources to say no to drugs and become agents of change in their communities, advocating for drug prevention initiative and amplifying their voice in the conversation.
Well, more needs to be done. What was lacking all along was community participation. It was there, but it was limited to efforts like de-addiction and counseling. But for us to proactively engage with the community would be to get the community to be part of policing, which is why the very important missing link that this government has finally been able to address is the need to have the community, leaders of the community, actually assisting the police in enforcing laws against drugs. For instance, the BITS NDPS, which is currently in effect, cannot be effectively engaged with unless we have community participation, which is why today the Dorbas have been requested to come up with any further suggestions on the framework of the VDP. We have made available to them copies of the Act that governs the formation of VDPs, and within end of this month we should be able to collect all suggestions in writing and then start forming and reviving the VDPs. As of date, we have just 11 active VDPs in the city of Shillong itself, and a vast number of localities remain uncovered. But as you can see from the response to the meetings last time and today's symposium, the response has been very encouraging, and we expect them to form these VDPs in line with the provisions of the law. It's a multifaceted scenario where we not only address it as a crime to be detected and checked, but also as an initiative that has to begin from the family, which is why you will see that we have engaged civil society, faith-based organizations and Dorbar Shnongs. The most effective instrument at the local level would be the Dorbar Shnongs, and we have sought their active participation. We have gone across the state, and right now as we speak, this World Drugs Day is being observed throughout the length and breadth of Meghalaya. Awareness programs have been organized even at the level of hamlets and villages. So we are proactive as a government.